next week, Bajaj Housing Finance. It's the first IPO from the Bajaj Group in more than 3 decades, and it opens up for subscription starting Monday. The overall valuation of this company is close to 60,000 crore rupees. And just some details, they're raising about 6,560 crore, which is a combination of offer for sale, where the promoter will bring down their holding to about 88-89%, and the balance will be a fresh issue of 3,560 crore, which the company will use as growth capital, which will suffice them for the next 2 to 3 years, according to the management. So just a couple of points. First, the opportunity for housing finance company. Now, the management of Bajaj Housing Finance told me that the home loan market in India is 30 lakh crore plus. The loan against property market is at 10 lakh crore plus, and according to CRISIL, this market is growing at 13 to 15%. So the runway for growth is quite high. Now, amongst the players here, you categorize them into 2 buckets. One are, the companies which cater to the higher value ticket size home loans, and then you've got the affordable housing loan. So Bajaj Housing Finance comes in the prime segment. Their average ticket price of home loan is the highest amongst peers. It's the second largest player. Its AUM stands at about 97,000 crore rupees. So the highest is LIC Housing. After that, you've got Bajaj Housing Finance. But Bajaj Housing Finance has been the fastest growing housing finance companies. Whether you compare it to these players or even the affordable housing finance players like Aadhar, Aptus, Aavas financiers. Secondly, the asset quality of Bajaj Housing Finance is the best in class. Despite the company increasing their focus on developer finance, which typically is seen as a little more riskier, they've managed to maintain their, asset quality. Gross NPAs, as I said, best in class and at just 0.28%, and the net NPA at 0.11%. So these are some of the strengths that Bajaj Housing Finance has managed to maintain now for the last 7 years. It's been 7 years since the company started operations, and in a span of 7 years, the company has become the fastest growing housing finance company. Now, the only thing is that the valuations are at a premium. We know the Bajaj Group itself commands a premium. All the Bajaj Group stocks, whether it's finance, Finserv, Bajaj Auto, they've all been big wealth creators. So this company is also coming with a premium compared to its peers. Is it justified? Have they left enough money on the table? Well, that remains to be seen. But
the last hour. Anything can happen between the bells. But what happens during the last hour is what matters the most. The biggest market swings. A close-up look at what's driving them and how the investors are reacting. Watch the most seasoned market mavens guide you through the most important hour of the trading day. NSE Closing Bell. At these times, only on CNBC-TV18 and CNBC-TV18.com.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC-TV18 on all of our digital platforms.